Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I will show you how to pair the iWatch to iPhone. So, unboxing my iWatch and pairing it to my iPhone. So I'm gonna show you how. Every iPhone, new model of iPhone now have iWatch off downloaded. So this iWatch off already downloaded. For those late iPhone series, I think you have to download it first, the iWatch off. Okay, let's unbox it. I got the space gray aluminum sport band 42 mm case. I like big smartwatch. Here you go. What's in the box? These are the manual. Just the manual. More manuals. And there you go. The straps. And here goes the watch. This one is the charger, guys. Here you go, the charger. And another extra strap. Okay, just pair it. Turn on the iWatch first. And then just open the iWatch off on your iPhone. There you go. Then just press the start pairing. Pair it manually. Let's try the manual pairing. Then you have to enter the 6-digit code that will appear on your iWatch. Enter it on your iPhone. Now it's pairing, verifying. it's successfully paired. Now you can set up your iWatch on your iPhone by pressing setup here. You're gonna prompt ask which side, which arm would you like to wear, left or right. I normally wear it on my left hand, so I choose the left. It's now connecting. Then you will receive a notification email that you have paired, just have paired your iWatch on the iPhone. Just click the agree button. Now signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. By the way, I bought this yesterday from iStudio in Shangri-La Mall. This is actually Mother's Day present from my son and daughter. But I just got it yesterday because during the Mother's Day it was ECQ in Manila. So all the shop were closed. Just got this yesterday. Now you can continue do the pairing, like enable the tracking when you go work out, running. So like that. Then Siri also. Gonna share some info or some your workouts. You can share it with Apple, or you can choose not to share. So maybe I'll share it. Just an analytic. Just continue pressing OK if you want to share. Now you can create passcode for your iWatch. I am making it now, as I don't want to show you. Okay, when you set the passcode, Apple Watch locks when you take it off and requires the passcode to unlock. So this helps protect your data. You have to create a 4-digit passcode on your Apple Watch. So I'm gonna make 4 digits on my Apple Watch right now. Okay, and then I made my passcode. So now if you like, you can provide a little bit of information about yourself to set off the activity off on your Apple Watch. Now you can skip this step and go back later on. You have to keep your Apple Watch up to date to get the latest features, securities improvements like that. You will receive notification, so you have to continue. You can also use this for your contactless payment. Later on you can add the credit card info or your card for your card payments. You can do this later on. Also emergency, you can press and hold the side of this if you're in some emergencies. you can also install available apps from the app stores here. So I want to install it now, so just press the install all on your device, on your iPhone. Now it's syncing, so I have to wait. Probably all the apps on my iPhone should be appear here on my iWatch. So my Apple Watch is almost ready. Then I will get an alert when it's finished, so I can use my iPhone as normally as I would. And then when I go out, when I go running and doing some workout, I normally bring my iPhone with me, but since I have the iWatch, I don't have to bring this iPhone anymore since it's too big. So I just bring my iWatch. I could receive text messages and then notification from all the apps here, like Viber, WhatsApp, and everything. I can also send message from my iWatch. Here you go, guys. The syncing is finished, so this will appear on your iPhone. You just press OK to continue. Then you can see that my iWatch is now available on my iPhone. So I have to choose the faces, which would what kind of face iWatch face will be displayed on my iWatch. So I have to choose the face here on the iPhone. So I would choose something different. Mickey? No, I don't like. I would probably go for something. Wait. But this one, kaleidoscope. I'll try this one. But there are many wallpaper available. You can choose. Just browse it on your iPhone. Just continue browsing, and the style is just like this. But design is like this. Then it will appear on your iWatch, just like this one, round. I'm gonna choose something. But okay, I'm gonna try this one first. I'll go for this. Let's see. So I'll set it as current watch face. Let's see. Okay. My watch is ready, so I have to press the digital crown to start. There you go. I chose this face, so it's appear on my watch like that. It's quite nice, right? What do you think? But you can change it later on. There are many kinds of face and wallpaper available. So for now, I will just stick to this one. So I think that's it for now. And then if you want to change, just go to your iPhone and then remove watch face and select another one. Also, you can select here face gallery, and or you can go to App Store to check on something else. Here you go. You can also choose this one, like simple one. So you see my iWatch is locked. Then if you want to use it, you just enter the passcode that you have been created before. Just 4 digits. So there you go, guys. My iWatch have been set up. So you can go to the menu here, the activities. When you go workout, running, here the activity will appear here like that. You will see it. You can view it anytime on your iWatch, and also you can view it on your iPhone. And also the heart rate. When you go running or doing some exercise and workout, the heart rate will appear here. And then this icon will appear when you go out for an outdoor walk. So you just press this one. If you want to start walking outdoor, just press this one. I'll lose it. So I have to enter the passcode again. Okay, go back. And then heart rate, you check your heart rate. And then when you go for a walk outdoor, just press this one. And then if you want to listen to music while outdoor walking or exercising in the gym, you can select the music here. Then use your wireless iPod. And then if you have some messages, you can check your message here as well. And then timer also, you can. Then calendar and maps, GPS. This is GPS maps. You can touch this icon to show all the apps. There you go. It's quite nice, cute. So basically all the apps on your iPhone is available here on the iWatch. Okay, I'm gonna start using it. Maybe later on I'll go for a walk or running. Let's see how cool is this iWatch. This one, guys, teach you how you're going to fasten the watch bracelet. You can see the demonstration here. It shows how you're going to wear and how you're going to lock the bracelet. That's it. Then you have extra bracelet here, extra band, sport band. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my vlog. Please continue to support by subscribing to my channel, and please like this video if you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.